Alright. Fuck you, Joe. It's Monday around 3 in the afternoon. We're about to go train soon. We just got back from the East Marketplace, just picked up, oh God, how many do we have here? I think this is 50 drinks.
Yes, sir.
So we should be set till to Friday more or less. But today we have a squat single. I'm thinking within the realm of 635. All right, so we got the new Cobra shorts, pair of Jordans as always. Got the Get Better Today tee.
Shut up!
Can you shut up? Nobody cares about you.
No one likes you. Literally no one.
So new fit. We're gonna pop out today. Like I said, 635 single.
Yo, this motherfucker went all in against another motherfucker. It was pocket queens against pocket aces. The guy hits trips on the queens. And then the other dude had an ace of spades and 4 spades came out, so he won off the flush.
And why do you think we care?
That was crazy.
Tom, you know how to drive stick, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna need you to drive.
I say we get there 2 days early.
I think we should.
Are you competing? He was off Adderall and he put Steve in the car. He literally like drove into a one-way and he's like, "Are you fucking kidding?" He was like, "Can't believe you fucking like almost killed me that night." And then like,
No way. What's going on? Dude, what you into today?
chest and
I wanna get furious.
It's a Texas power ball. So it's a stiff ball.
I gave her everything she took my heart.
Yes, sir. And the sauce walking. There we go.
Looking for the odds, baby.
Alright, we did the top single of 635 at like an RP of 7, and then we did a 4x6 with 495. So we're gonna hit some leg press and then get out of here. Alright, we're back from the workout. Just finished up with some leg press, and we're just gonna eat, chill out, crush some homework, and then we got bench tomorrow, single at RP 7 to 8. So just gonna eat, rest, hydrate, and we'll see you guys then. So it's Tuesday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Joe wants some eggs, so we're gonna make some eggs. We have chest later today, and then that's it. I have a single at RP 8 on bench, so I'm thinking 370 to 375. All right, that's cooking. We got some rice heating up. Oh my God, that just can't even be healthy. Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Folding any bed, you can just do that now. I'm gonna put in.
Dude's ugly as shit. What? Did you just fart? Did you just fart? Ugly as shit.
Shut up.
Last time I checked, I paid for the Gatorade, so I don't know who you're talking about. Did I say you could eat those eggs that I made you this morning? Nobody cares about you.
Nobody cares about you.
That's good.
Realize and know within the truth there's still, but there's so much more to be, so much more to be than just a life, a son, a brother, a husband, a father, but still can go forward, but still will can go harder.
Alright, we finished the top single of 375, moved really well, and then we did a 3x7 with 300. So we're gonna go upstairs, do dumbbells, they got the notification on my phone saying that my pair of shoes arrived, so we're gonna go home, unbox that, and we'll see you guys then. It's like midnight. I had some studying to do.
Oh my god, it's 2 in the morning?
It's 2 in the morning. This is the smoke gray colorway right here. So just another Jordan colorway. This is like, I think this is my 4th right here. Super nice. It has a like leather upper right here, and then just like the gray is all suede. So super dope. I'm gonna lace these up. Probably wear these to the gym tomorrow. That pretty much wraps up Tuesday. Like I said, tomorrow we have deadlifts. Probably something within the realm of 670. No, 690. And so you guys may or may not know the Instagram page Powerlifting Motivation. I'll tag them right down here. They're like trying to kind of expand their brand, come out with like wrist wraps and shirts and stuff like that. So they hit me up. They wanted to send me some stuff to try out. So I'm not benching today, but I'll try these out tomorrow. They made some wrist wraps that they sent me. They look pretty cool, just like nice black and white aesthetic, kind of fits the color scheme of their page. And they sent me 2 t-shirts too. So I literally got these packages right as I was walking out the door to come deadlift. I'll probably switch into one of these right now because like I have a whole like an all black fit right now.
Shut up.
After I get you 5, straight back to the side.
We finished up the heavy single with 690. Didn't move how I wanted it to, but I mean, you're gonna have good days and bad days in the gym. Then we finished up with a 3x5 of 585. Probably gonna cut